let's talk about how to import and apply presets. So you might have just downloaded a zip file with your presets. Mine are called Beachy Lightroom presets. And when you double click the zip file, it will open XMP files. So navigate to Lightroom, click on Develop rather than Library, click on Develop. And right here on the left side panel, there's a tab called Presets. And you can click on the plus sign and say Import Presets. Now I know where mine are. Yours might be in Downloads. Mine are right here. And you can highlight all of them, click Import, and there they are. That is how you would import and apply a preset. I help creative entrepreneurs scale their side hustle. If that's interesting to you, check out more videos on my channel.